Good morning, students. Now we are completing the chapter polynomial by completing the two last question of the exercise 2.4. We have done up to the question number 3 of exercise 2.4. This is the optional exercise and this is really important exercise. Before 2 or 3 years before, one question from this exercise, question number 4 was there in the examination, board exams. So it's an important exercise. This is the question number 4. This is the second last question of the exercise. This is x raised to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. Since this equation has 4 zeros, x raised to the power 4 means it has 4 zeros. Out of the 4 zeros, we have 2 zeros only in question. That is 2 plus minus root 3. It means one of the zeros is 2 plus root 3 and the other one is 2 minus root 3. And the other 2 zeros we have to find. Or for finding the other 2 zeros, first what will we do? We have 1 0 x is equal to 2 plus root 3. 0 तो ये दिया हुआ है. And the second one is x is equal to 2 minus root 3. These are the two zeros in the question. So first we will find the factor of the polynomial. Means आप इसको इधर लेके आ जाओ तो कितना आ जाएगा x minus 2 minus root 3. This is the one of the factor of this polynomial. इसको इधर लेके आते हैं तो other one is x minus 2 plus root 3. So these are the two factors of the polynomial. By these zeros, we find out the factors of the polynomial. Now we have two factors of the polynomial. We will multiply these two factors and we can multiply it by using the simple method. That is, this is, suppose this is A and this is B, and by multiplying the A, actually this is the identity. देखो, A minus B and A plus B. So this equation is in the form of identity. So we can solve it by using identity. Otherwise you can multiply as you want to do. Like पहले x को पूरे से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर माइनस 2 को पूरे से किया, फिर माइनस रूट 3 को किया. So it's a long method. You can use identity here. So this is a minus b and a plus b, and we will multiply it like a square. A minus b to a plus b will be a square minus b square. This is identity of class 8 and class 9. So minus अंडर 3 स्क्वायर. देखो ये a था, a माइनस b था, ये प्लस b था, हमने मल्टीप्लाई करके लिख दिया a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर. We use the identity. So we always open the bracket, we always open the whole square by using identity. It is a minus b whole square, and we know the identity a square plus b square minus 4b. So we will open this bracket by using the identity, that is a square minus 2 into a into b and plus b square. Minus root 3 square will be 3. So it is x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3. And we can simply solve it. It will be minus 4x plus 1. So this is the factor of this polynomial. By these two zeros, we find out the factor of the polynomial. Again, we know the two zeros, this one and this one. And we find out the factors of the polynomial. And by multiplying these factors, we find out the one factor of this polynomial. And we know that if we divide this polynomial by this factor, we will get the remainder 0 and some question. So let's divide this polynomial by this factor. So I have to rub the board. If you want to write down from the board, you can pause my video and then can write. So this is the factor of this polynomial. Now we are going to divide this equation by this polynomial. So first, by which number we should multiply x square to get x raised to the power 4? By x square. Simply x square into x square will be x raised to the power 4. So we are writing here x square. Now again in division, you have done the division in exercise 2.3 of question number 1 and 2. So I think you know about the division. If you have any problem in division, you can ask in your Zoom classes. So this is the equation by which you have to multiply this polynomial. So first we find out by which number we should multiply x square to get x raised to the power 4. We found out we should multiply it by x square. And then multiply this x square with whole the term. आपने चेक तो सिर्फ इसको किया है, लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई से सबको करनी होती है. तो x raised to the power 4 minus 4x into x square will be minus 4x cube, and then it will be plus x square. And we know that for division we have to subtract the values, and for subtraction we have to change the sign. So it is how much? Minus 2x cube एंड देन माइनस 27x² एंड देन क्या करो आप आगे का बचा हुआ सब उतार देते हैं 138x minus 35. So by which number you should multiply x square to get minus 2x cube? अब सोचिए आप किसको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे x स्क्वायर को कि आपको माइनस का 2x क्यूब मिल जाए. So we will multiply it by minus 2x. So multiply the whole the terms by minus 2x. We will get minus 2x cube and then इसको इससे करोगे तो minus minus plus 8x square and then minus 2x. And for division we have to subtract the values and for subtraction we have to change sign. So we get here minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Now by which number you should multiply x square to get minus 35x square? Simple, it is minus 35. So I am writing here minus 35. Minus 35 multiply with this equation. It will be minus 35x square minus 1 is plus 140x and then minus 35. Again for division we have to subtract the values. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Obviously the remainder should be 0 because this is the factor of this polynomial. Now this is the question. By dividing this polynomial by the factor of the equation we get the quotient and the remainder 0. Now what will we do? We will factorize this quotient to find out the other two zeros. We have two zeros in the question. For finding the other two zeros, we will factorize this question. Okay. For writing this whole division, you can pause your video. I am going to rub this one. So now, x square minus 2x minus 35 is the question. And you have to find the other two zeros. So we will factorize it. How will you factorize? 35. This is the splitting term and you all know about the splitting term which we have learned in class 8, class 9, obviously in class 10 in exercise 2.1. So for splitting term we will factorize 35 like that. The two factors whose product should be 35 and the difference or add should be 2. So obviously it is 7 minus 5. 7 5s are 35 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So we can write it like, in place of 2 we can write 7 minus 5 and then x minus 35. Now open your bracket, minus 7x plus 5x minus 35 and then pairing it is x minus 7 and plus 5 common, it is x minus 7. Now we have the two other factors, that is x minus 7 and the x plus 5. So by these two factors we can find the zeros of the polynomial. So the 1 0 is the x minus 7 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 7 and if x plus 5 is the 0 is the factor, we will get it minus 5. So other than 2 plus minus root 3, we have other two zeros 7 and minus 5. So this is the second last question of exercise. This is an important question. Now we will do the last question of the exercise and after that our polynomial chapter will be completed. This is the last question of exercise of the chapter polynomial from NCERT. The fifth question is, this is a polynomial. This is the equation of the polynomial. Actually this is a dividend. X is to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. This is a dividend. And this is the divisor. We divide this equation by this divisor, that is x square minus 2x plus k. And the remainder is x plus a. So in this question we have two unknown values, that is k and a. So we have to find the value of a and k. So it is given that if we divide this equation by this one, we get this remainder. So let's divide the equation. X square minus 2x plus k. Actually this is a very long division and I don't have the much space here in this board. So I will try my best. X square minus 2x plus k. Okay, and we have to divide the equation. X is to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. So first जैसे आप डिवीजन करते वैसे आपको डिवाइड करना है. So we will multiply x square by x square. Where should I write? I think here. by multiplying x square with x square we will get x raised to power 4. So हमने multiply कर दिया x square से. अब you know that you have to multiply x square with all the equation, all the term, so it will be x raised to power 4. आप इसको इससे करोगे तो कितना आएगा माइनस का 2x क्यूब, इसको इससे करोगे तो कितना आएगा प्लस का 3x स्क्वायर. Now for division we know that we have to subtract the equations. So subtract करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, साइन चेंज कर देते हैं, कैंसिल. We have minus 4x cube and here it is plus 16x square and minus kx square, और जो बचा है इसको भी उतार लेते हैं. डिवीजन में आप ऐसे ही करते हैं. अब आप चेक करते हैं by which number we should multiply x square to get minus 4x cube. So we will multiply it by minus 4x simply. So minus 4x, माइनस 4x को पूरे से मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ लिखेंगे, ये डिविजन्स में होता है. सो कितना आ रहा है देखिए माइनस का 4x क्यूब, इसको इससे करेंगे माइनस माइनस प्लस 8x स्क्वायर, और इसको इससे करेंगे तो माइनस के 4kx. ऑलवेज राइट द लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर. जैसे k x था तो x को x के साथ लिखेंगे, x स्क्वायर के साथ नहीं लिखेंगे, ठीक है. नाउ सेपरेट द इक्वेशन एंड चेंज द साइन, कैंसिल, and we get here 8x square minus kx square, then minus 25x plus 4kx plus 10. Okay, so by which number you should multiply x square to get 8x square? Obviously 8. So we will multiply the equation by 8. अब आपको पता है 8 को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. So ये आ गया 8x square minus 8 to just 16. Okay, we have to write down the like terms together. तो ये कितना आ गया 8 to just 16 आया माइनस का x, और इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आएगा प्लस 8k. अगेन लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर एंड वी विल सेपरेट द इक्वेशन लाइक दिस, कैंसिल, वी गेट माइनस kx स्क्वायर एंड दिस वन इज हाउ मच 9, यस, माइनस 9x प्लस 4kx माइनस 8k प्लस 10. ओके, सो जो बचा हमने नीचे उतार दिया. नाउ बाय विच नंबर यू शुड मल्टीप्लाई x स्क्वायर टू गेट माइनस kx स्क्वायर. आपको पता है फर्स्ट टर्म को आप चेक करते हो तो कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे माइनस k से, तो आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया माइनस k. अब आप क्या करोगे माइनस k को सबसे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. सो वी विल गेट माइनस k x स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस 2kx प्लस 2kx, तो लाइक टर्म टुगेदर. इसको इससे करेंगे तो माइनस का k स्क्वायर एंड अगेन वी विल सेपरेट द इक्वेशन. ये थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता है बच्चों को, पर ये क्वेश्चन इतना मुश्किल नहीं. अगर आप ध्यान से सिंसियरली ध्यान के साथ कंसंट्रेट करके डिवीजन करते हो तो गलती नहीं होती है. डिवीजन तो सिंपल ही है, बस थोड़ी सी गलतियां हो जाती हैं, कहीं साइन मिस्टेक हो जाती है. थोड़ा ध्यान से करेंगे तो गलती नहीं होगी. तो देखिए क्या बच रहा है, यहाँ पे बच रहा है हमारे पास 9x, और ये बचेंगे प्लस के 2kx, और ये है माइनस 8k प्लस 10 प्लस k स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज द रिमाइंडर. और आपको पता होना चाहिए द डिग्री ऑफ रिमाइंडर इज ऑलवेज 1 लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ द डिवाइजर. तो डिवाइजर की डिग्री x स्क्वायर है, तो यानी कि रिमाइंडर की डिग्री में x तो आएगा ही, तो इसका मतलब यही हमारा रिमाइंडर है. नाउ वी नो दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन द रिमाइंडर इज x प्लस a, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अस द रिमाइंडर इज I am writing here, and after this I will rub the board. You can pause video for writing this equation, for writing this division. So now मैं x कॉमन ले रही हूँ ताकि मैं ये देख सकूँ कि x के कोफिशिएंट क्या आ रहे हैं. So according to this equation, according to this division, we have the remainder by taking x as a common minus 9 plus 2k. यही है x के कोफिशिएंट. और क्या बच रहा है इसको भी लिख लेते हैं. It is minus 8k plus 10 plus k square. Okay, so this is all the remainder, but according to question the remainder is x plus a. So what should we do? So first I am going to rub the board because this board is very small. Okay, so देखिए आपने कहा ये आ गया रिमाइंडर, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में तो ये रिमाइंडर था. सो वी कैन इक्वेट द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द रिमाइंडर्स लाइक द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x. इन दिस इक्वेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू अस द रिमाइंडर इज दिस वन. सो द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज minus 9 plus 2k. This is the coefficient of x according to us. But according to question, the coefficient of x is how much? It is 1. x plus a है तो x कोफिशिएंट 1 है. So we are equating the coefficient of x here. So solve कर लेते हैं. 2k is equal to 1 plus 9, then 2k is equal to 10, then k will be equal to 5. This is the value of k. Now we know that x plus a is the remainder. So it means all this constant value is a. जो भी कुछ बचा वो सब a है. तो a कितना है? minus 8k plus 10 plus k square is equal to a. Now put the value of 5 here. It is 8 into 5 plus 10 plus 5 का square is equal to a. So solve this one. 8 5 is 40 minus का plus का 10 and 25 is equal to a. Now a is equal to 35 minus 40 plus 35 and we get the value of a is equal to minus 5. So these are the two values of a and k. A is minus 5 and k is 5. So this is simple, that reason. So we have done the chapter polynomial. Now we will start the new chapter. It is the first chapter, the real number. Okay, bye.